All right, welcome to this video. Today I just made around 27 minutes back. We made around $500. So I just wanted to make a quick video on that and show you that. Okay, so this is a genuine video. You can see this is a live my email, right? Uh, Let me refresh so that you can see this is the alert I just got. Okay, this is my wife email account and this is the time 27 minutes back, and let me show you the date. It's September 4th, 3:54 p.m., right? Yeah. Now we made $500, right? We made just sale, and this is as per the Google. Let me again enter. We have made 35,762 rupees just in the afternoon. Okay, and we have another half day to go, so we may get more sales. So let me tell you, we charge normally company charge 72 rupees per dollar. Okay, that's around 36,000. So this is what we have earned. So this is as per the Google, but we take conversion ratio as $1 is equal to 72. So $500 multiplied by 72. So this is what we got, 36,000 round figure, right? And if you remember, on Saturday and Sunday we had made $1,050. You can check that video, it will be in my YouTube channel or on my previous emails. So 1,050 plus 500, right? So that's 1,550. So we have made 1,10,086 rupees as per Google, and our real income is 1550 multiplied by 72 rupees. So we have made 1,11,600 rupees. So even if you consider Google conversions or what we have got, it's same, almost 1,11,000 rupees we have made in just 4 days, right? It's not even the fourth day is complete, guys. You need to understand the power of internet, power of online business. So again, I mean, it's like 1st of September, 2nd, 3rd and 4th. Today is the 4th. So in this month we have already made 1,11,600. So one disclaimer, I mean income disclaimer here, it's not going to happen overnight. It requires your investments, it requires your learning. You need to implement that, and you have to be consistently implement whatever you learned till you get the results. So if you are committed, if you are learning to, if you are willing to learn and implement, then this business is for you. Okay, if you are broke, if you have no money, then business is not for you. Trust me, my dear friend, you should not look for business opportunities. To do business you need to invest money. Okay, either your money or somebody else's money. Look at any successful people in the world, they all had investments, right? Today whoever is the billionaires, millionaires, they all had their investments. Either their own money or their somebody else's money, investors money, right? So if you want to do the business, whether it's online, offline, you need investments, you need a mentor, you need a support system where we will be your mentor, we will be your support system. You have to invest and you have to learn. And this is not a get rich quick scheme, this is not a chain system, this is not a multi-level marketing. This is a pure online business called as affiliate marketing. So you can just go on Google what is affiliate marketing, you will find it. So let me explain in brief. Affiliate marketing means recommending other people's product and services and getting paid on a sale. Like you can become, even this program is available on Amazon, eBay, Myntra, Flipkart, everywhere. So you can become an affiliate, you can recommend their programs, and if somebody buys their products and services, not programs, you will be paid a commission, right? So that's what this module is. So the same way we have our own training programs where you have to first buy the training programs and recommend these training programs to others, and you will get paid 100% of the product price. If you are selling $500 program, you will get $500 completely into your account. So that is how we got this $500 into our account. This is the product price. Apart from this, how company makes is, company will earn company will take another $50 from this customer, whoever is Siva Sangeeta. They'll take $50 from this client. So total this client has paid $550. So $50 gone to company and $500 came into my account. Okay, so this is how you make it. Just hot sale 32 minutes back, And if you want to really make this kind of income, just invest. You have to just invest $550 or $1,100. We have lower plans also, but I don't recommend them. Go for this. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to us. You can book a phone appointment. Let me show you that. And most of the people making this mistake, you have to call us. We don't call you. Okay, you have to. My internet is little low today. Okay, let me show you this loads. Yeah, so this is my calendar. You have to go here. Okay, you can, this calendar is available on all my email signatures. You can go and you have to click here, and please read the instructions properly. See, clearly I've written here. Most of the people are not paying the attention. You have to call me on this mobile number or on the Skype. Please book only if you are serious. This is not a get rich quick scheme, right? This is clearly says you have to call us, and some people are expecting my call back. So I don't call back until unless I'm not free. So it's your job to call me on this selected date and time. So click on this. For example, today, like, these slots are available till I'm available for 10:15 p.m. So you have to just click on this, click on confirm. Then again it says you have to call, read these instructions, right? Enter your name, full name, your city, and this is optional. So you have to just enter and click on schedule, right? Schedule the event. So then you will get an email confirmation. I will also get an email confirmation, and you have to call me on this time, like 5:30 p.m. today. If you have picked up this time today at 4 p.m. 4th September, then you have to call me on this number. Don't expect my call back. Okay, if you cannot reach me, you can call me on WhatsApp. You can call me on WhatsApp call, or you can call me on Skype, or you can leave a message on WhatsApp or Skype that my number is not reachable. In case my number is not reachable, if due to some network issues, if you can't reach me, just leave a message. Okay, just go. If you want to discuss something, book this call, or else if you already seen the video presentation, just invest. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Once again, before I close, we have made $1,550 in just 4 days, just the beginning of the month, and we've already made 1,10,000 11,000 rupees, and this is today's income, $500. Okay, so if you want to make this kind of income, just get in. Don't think, don't overanalyze, don't overthink, just get into it, take actions. That's it, my dear friend. Thank you very much. Have a great day, great evening, and coming month. Thank you.